Hello students, welcome back to the online classes of English of D.A.V. Nandaraj Public School. This is the third lecture of the chapter 2, the tsunami. In the previous two videos, I have given you an introduction of the chapter along with part 1 explanation. In this video, we will study part 2 of the chapter, the tsunami. In this part, we will read the story of a brave girl who could sense out the danger and was able to save lives of many people. It would be surprising to you to know that she was just 10 years old. Let us read out the chapter first. Here is a story from Thailand. The Smith family from Southeast England were celebrating Christmas at a beach resort in southern Thailand. Tilly Smith was a 10-year-old schoolgirl. Her sister was 7 years old. Their parents were Penny and Colin Smith. It was 26 December 2004. Deadly tsunami waves were already on their way. They had been triggered by a massive earthquake off northern Sumatra earlier that morning. The water was swelling and kept coming in. Penny Smith remembered. The beach was getting smaller and smaller. I didn't know what was happening. But Tilly Smith sensed that something was wrong. Her mind kept going back to a geography lesson she had taken in England just 2 weeks before she flew out to Thailand with her family. Tilly saw the sea slowly rise and start to foam, bubble and form whirlpools. She remembered that she had seen this in class in a video of a tsunami that had hit the Hawaiian Islands in 1946. Her geography teacher had shown her class the video and told them that tsunamis can be caused by earthquakes, volcanoes and landslides. Tilly started to scream at her family to get off the beach. She talked about an earthquake under the sea. She got more and more hysterical, said her mother Penny. I didn't know what a tsunami was, but seeing my daughter so frightened, I thought something serious must be going on. Tilly's parents took her and her sister away from the beach to the swimming pool at the hotel. A number of other tourists also left the beach with them. Then it was as if the entire sea had come out after them. I was screaming, "Run!" The family took refuge in the third floor of the hotel. The building withstood the surge of 3 tsunami waves. If they had stayed on the beach, they would not have been alive. The Smiths later met other tourists who had lost entire families. Thanks to Tilly and her geography lesson, they had been forewarned. Tilly went back to her school in England and told her classmates her terrifying tale. So, as I said earlier, this story recounts the bravery of a young schoolgirl of 10 years who, with her knowledge and wisdom, could save lives not just of her family but of many tourists who had come to the beach of Phuket to enjoy Christmas. Tilly Smith and her 7-year-old sister were born to the family of Penny and Colin Smith. After witnessing the tremors in the morning of 26 December 2004, Penny Smith noticed that the water was swelling and the beach was getting smaller. But she was clueless about the reason behind this unusual sight. Tilly Smith, along with her mother, too noticed the sea rising and the formation of bubbles and whirlpool. It reminded her of a geography lesson that she had learnt just before coming for vacation to Thailand. She remembered that her teacher during the class had shown her and other fellow students a video. It was of tsunami that had hit Hawaiian Island in 1946. The students were informed that tsunamis can be caused by earthquakes, volcanoes and landslides. Tilly at once understood the situation. She knew that these bubbles and whirlpools might be an indication of the coming tsunami. Thus she started screaming at her family to evacuate the shore at once. Talking about the incident, her mother said that she became hysterical that day and was talking about an earthquake under the sea. Penny said that she had no knowledge of tsunami, but the terror that she saw on her daughter's face showed that it was really something very serious. So Tilly and her family, along with other tourists, left the beach and went to swimming pool of the hotel. After that, what they saw was horrific. It seemed like the entire sea had come out after them. Tilly and her family ran to the third floor of the hotel to save their lives. The building withstood 3 tsunami waves and thus all of them were saved. Later on, the Smiths met other tourists who lost their families in this destruction. It was Tilly and her geography lesson that saved not just her family but also the lives of many other tourists. After going back to her school, Tilly showed her terrifying and unforgettable experience with her classmates, and all of their blood got frozen to hear her story of terror and death. So now in this chapter we can find few new words. The first one is resort. Resort is very famous word. It refers to a place that is frequented for holidays or recreation. The next word that you find new is triggered. It means response caused by a particular action. Next word is massive, which means large and heavy. The next word that you would find new is whirlpool. Whirlpool is a small area in a river or sea where the water is moving quickly round and round. Hysterical is the next word that you find difficult and new. Hysterical means showing extreme uncontrolled emotion. The second last word of this story is refuge, which means a place or situation providing safety. And the last difficult or new word of this story is forewarned, which means informed of a possible future danger. So here we come to the end of this video. In the next video, I'll take up part 3 of the chapter. Till then, stay safe and keep learning. Thank you.